Some people have a problem with women attending the masjid because the opportunity to make fitnah, intermingling between men and women, almost always is taken. Well, maybe. That's not my experience, but possibly there are some people who do that. What are your suggestions in preventing this fitnah? Is the argument justified? Well, the argument makes no sense if you've chosen to live in the West. If you're really afraid of fitnah, then you don't live in the West. Because, never mind the masjid, what goes on in the workplace where people don't have any sharia framework at all, that's real fitnah. And whatever might conceivably happen in the mosque pales into insignificance compared to that. You know, if you really don't like that, go and live in Qatar or somewhere where you can live the rest of your life without seeing a woman. But no, that the hadith says, لا تمنعوا إماء الله مساجد Allah. This is a sound hadith. Do not prevent Allah's female slaves from attending His mosques. Prophetic commandment.